Is Jevans Otieno, and I'm going to present TraceConnect. So TraceConnect is a conversation radar. Basically, what we're doing is a VCON-powered real-time visibility and compliance for global distributed teams. So think of it as an enterprise that has a lot of branches globally, and probably from the HQ, how will they be able to have really real-time visibility, and how they be able to monitor on how issues, complaints are being processed in individual branches in different countries. So trust the conversation, connect the dots. So the global blind spot, HQ loses control where teams go distributed. So what we have is siloed branch operations, global branches, let's say in Nairobi, Lagos, New York, operate independently. HQ has zero real-time visibility without manual reports from each branch manager, delayed pattern detection, scattered conversion data, and no cross-region intelligence. So what pain points are we trying to address here? We have realized there's usually knowledge isolation, especially now if people work in the East African market, they work from whatever knowledge they have, people in the West African, people in North America, South America, and that. And then also we have week-long blind spots. So something might be happening in real time, but then now it's only after weekly meeting or bi-weekly meeting is where now the HQ is being informed by the branch manager on this are the progress. So we're trying to see how we can use VCON and cloud desktop so that the HQ can be able to monitor in real time and get global visibility on how different patches are working and how best to escalate certain situations so that we can be able to move faster. So what the solution we're doing is we are uh, creating a VCOD powered intelligence. So capture all the conversations into standardized VCOD format, and then we incorporate the MCP of cloud, where now AI query. So where now you can directly query and be able to understand and make sense of the data that's presented in different branches and how you can be able to connect them together. Yeah, so one feature that we've built for this hackathon is a radar view, real-time pattern detection. You can be able to see a dashboard and be able to view the activities across different branches. Then conversation trail and airport queries, and also consent dashboard, cross-border compliance. Yeah, that's the architecture. Yeah, so let us go to the as you can see now, this is the radar dashboard. Now we have added Ask TraceConnect on the left here sidebar, where now you can be able to query and be able to see, okay, what data you can, okay, who are the top agents? They can be able to say 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is across globally different branches. Now this radar will tell you the branches in Nairobi. These are the issues that have been raised, opened, are still open. 7 have been resolved. Average time is 10 hours. In Lagos is 1.7 days, so that's like 2 days. This one is like 1 day. So we are able to now see okay, now what is happening within different batches. This is just giving it a better look in terms of using graphical display so that you can be able to see, okay, how are different batches performing. So if you go to our cloud, so you can be able now to query. So we have connected the VCON to the cloud desktop via MCPs, and now you can now be able to query. Walk me through the enterprise outage escalation in Lagos, show me the full conversation, and now you can be able to see what is happening, different errors. I think I will solve that errors. Okay, yeah. So yeah, you can now be able to query and you'll be able to tell you, okay, this is incident, and this is the VCON ID, branch Lagos priority, and then this is the conversation trail. You can now be able to trail what is going on. So I think, yeah, so that's it for me. And so this is just MVP, but trying to prove it more, how it can be able now to address different scenarios. Thank you.